If you're struggling to earn money through your SaaS, chances are you aren't packaging your monetizing methods. Follow along if you want to find out how to find the sweet spot to earn money through your SaaS products. Now, there are multiple ways to earn money through your SaaS, but quite often, founders struggle with having real traction on how to actually start getting paying customers. This may be through lack of experience or unexpected bugs in their program. In this video, I will tell you all the kind of methods you can try to experiment with and have successful paying customers with. Firstly, the most commonly known one is the subscription business model. It's where your customers pay recurring values every month that would translate to your MRR or monthly recurring rate. This helps you gain traction and also keep a stable income when you know who your customers are. It's also a really good way for you to keep track of your customers and see what their pain points are and what they would like to improve in your software because its growth is to their benefit. Another commonly known is the freemium software where customers get a part of the software but have to pay for the full version. An example is apps on the App Store such as MyFitnessPal, LifeSum, and many more. Also a great way of making money with benefits similar to the previous case. In-app purchases where customers pay money to get a certain item in the app. Mostly applied to games for credits or rare to use items, but a good way to bring focus to this part of the app is by notifying the users of its presence, running sales, loyalty programs consistently, or using push notifications. A great example of this is Candy Crush. Now, in-app advertising, while probably not the easiest method of earning money, it is certainly lucrative. The game changer in this method is trying to make users stay on the app as long as possible. However, your revenue is generated from the ad provider and not exactly charging customers. Now, the above are mainly how monetization is made effective. What's important to note is that there are numerous other ways to notify users of your plan. An example is sending notifications to users after a certain period of time where they use the product and let that decide whether they want the premium version. This requires some testing to see what actually hooks users in, such as the number of times they open the app, how long they use it, and many more. Another method is allowing free trials. I think this is the best way of grabbing user attention because it really hooks them in for a good amount of time to actually understand how the product works and if it's useful for them. Moreover, if they don't, you can still reach out to them and ask users for feedback. I hope this video's got you hooked into entrepreneurship because the more you learn about solving a problem, the more you're motivated to actually solve it. That's what this channel really is about, and I'm about to share my journey in entrepreneurship with you as I go. Make sure to subscribe and stay updated in the channel, and if you want to learn more about my videos, make sure to click on one of my videos.